Good day, scholars. We're going to talk about how to graph the garden. This is part 1. And on Thursday, you had some wonderful classmates that went out and measured. And I think it was Jakar and Zakaria, Shania, and Charlie recorded all of this information. So the first thing that you want to consider is you want to make a scale. And that is going to be how many blocks equals a foot. And I want you to really be clear. I want you to really tighten up and put your graph of the garden in the center of the whole entire graph paper, because you really want a lot of extra room on the outside so that we can see where the school is, where the water source is. We also have all these companies are coming out to give us information on where our gas lines are, or our electric lines, or things for solid waste. So before we dig, we need to know where those things are. So we want to put them on our graph. So this graph that you're making, we're going to keep them and we're going to use them for the next several weeks, if not entire year, for the garden. So really take good care of them and do a really great job. So first of all, you want to consider how many blocks, how many little squares are on your graph paper. So when you see your graph paper, you're going to see all these little squares, and you need to count them vertically and horizontally and put that number right there. The next thing that you want to do is look at how many spaces you need going this way and how many this way. And it might be that this graph gets flipped because this is a really long stretch, although it doesn't look like it compared to this, if you follow me. So the first thing that you want to do is look at your east points, and we have them right here, 55.2 feet. We're measuring in feet for everything. We know that often the metric system is used in science, but we are using feet in this case. And then for the north side, you're going to be adding this and this little section and this little section, and then this 32 feet, which takes us to our water source. And this, just to put it in perspective, is right where the cafeteria is. So then you walk into not really the cafeteria, but the kitchen. So we want to make sure that we have all of this space covered, which is why this might wind up being your horizontal. But to keep it simple, this is north, so this is where the school is. This is east, this is where the road is, North Hain, and then this is south, okay? So west is over here. So you're gonna add up all of these, and that's gonna be your north end. And then you're gonna look at these numbers, and you're gonna decide how many blocks, and this would be a little block right here that I drew, equals a foot, okay? So you can have it equal, one block could equal 5 feet if you wanted to, or it could equal 2 feet. So make the best decision and work on your graph, and if need be, we can get you more graph paper. And I know the folks at home can easily get, you can print as many copies as you want of that graph paper, or we can get you some if you need to. All right, I hope that you have enough information to start this part of the graph. Remember, we're going to be putting the beds in. We have that little gas line here. That I think it's for gas or water. I'm actually not really sure. And then we have a bed over here. We have 2 beds here, another 2 beds here, and then we're going to do the trellising work in here. So we have lots to fill in. And then I already saw that I think the gas company came and put a line out here. It's blue. So I'm getting all kinds of emails on Friday and today, which is Monday, and they're supposed to come out and let us know where all these lines are so that we can plant our banana trees safely and some other things that we want to do for the garden. Thanks so much. Have a great day, and if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or a text, or I'm sure Mr. Smith can help you.